Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we are making something for those fussy children out there. My kids are 7 and as any of you parents out there know, kids, it's a real challenge to make something that they like. Our go-to meal is a very basic cheesy pasta. So let's get on with it and I'll make it today. So there you go, cheesy pasta. Now, if you ask our kids what they want to eat for tea or for dinner or whatever, this is their go-to dish. It's dead easy, it's quick to make. They love it and they eat a lot. I mean, they're 7-year-olds and they're the fussiest eaters ever. So I would really recommend this. Adding the mushrooms and the onions means it's just a slightly more interesting meal from an adult's perspective. And just as easy to make, so you can do it at the same time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to look out for more videos, and I'll see you next time.